ensure everybody gets hands-on. That seems obvious, but girls identified the hands-on aspects of activities and experiments in school as one of the main reasons they enjoy science and technology and building, if they get to get their hands in and do things. But the counter to that is that girls and boys have been found to engage differently in hands-on group work, and that they use different language and they engage with materials differently. They might be put off by the fact that they're doing things differently, but that's fine. And so helping them see that doing things differently is still good. Girls in primary school report anxiety about engaging in hands-on because they often see themselves as being bad at the spatial part or bad at the maths part. But we need to show them they can be just as good as the boys. They just need the time and the practice and the opportunity to engage in those hands-on activities. And girls sometimes step back and let boys take over. First thing we can do is encourage equal participation and sharing, help all students develop their spatial awareness, thinking and confidence. So it might just be a confidence issue that they need to get over to help them get engaged in these hands-on activities. And another thing is to use a range of STEM equipment and technology. And so there might be some things that we do by doing experiment. There might be some things that we do by going outside. There might be some things we do by doing research on the internet, but to give them a whole range of different equipment and opportunities to engage. And girls find that super engaging. Boys do too, but researchers found that it helps girls so much in getting involved into STEM and getting the confidence to be involved in STEM.